friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a quick speed test comparison of the new Poco X3 Pro with the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So these two devices are priced below the 20,000 price segment, and both of them have really good hardware. We have an AMOLED display on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, while we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 powerful chipset on the Poco X3 Pro. So both have 120Hz refresh rate. Now both have really great hardware overall. Now both of them run with MIUI 12. So let's just go to settings. So about phone. So you can see here MIUI version is 12.0.4 on the Poco, while it's 12.0.6 on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Now both of them have Android 11 out of the box. So you can see here the major difference is the Snapdragon 860 chip on the Poco X3 Pro, while we have the Snapdragon 732G on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So let's just clear off all the background apps. So if you can see here, both the devices have cleared off all the apps from the background. So let's just check the network connections as well. So there you go. You can see that now let's just enable the airplane mode here as well. So both of the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and both have the airplane mode as well. So let's just start the speed test. So we'll be opening these 16 apps. So once again we'll just clear off all the apps. So there you go. Now let's start the speed test. Let's see which is able to load these apps faster. So these are the 16 apps we're going to test. So let's start with Asphalt 9. So both the devices have the game turbo mode enabled. We'll see which is able to load the game faster. So let's see which is able to load Asphalt 9 faster. Whether it's the Poco X3 Pro or the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So you can see here the Poco X3 Pro has loaded the game. In fact, it is way faster than the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So you can see here the 860 is definitely more powerful in opening games. Next is the Temple Run. So here again you can see that Poco X3 Pro is way faster. Next would be Play Store. Again Poco is faster. Chrome browser. Again you can see that Poco X3 Pro is way faster. This is taking a bit of time on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. In fact, a lot of time it took for loading the browser. Facebook. Again Poco is the winner. Twitter. Again you can see that Poco is the winner. Instagram. Again Poco is the winner. Ghana. Once again Poco is the winner here. Next is Amazon. Again Poco is the winner. Flipkart. Poco once again loaded faster. File Manager. Again you can see this is taking a lot of time. Again Poco is the winner. Settings. Again Poco is the winner. YouTube. Poco is the winner. Gmail. Poco wins. Camera. Once again Poco wins. And finally Maps. So here again you can see Poco wins. So what you could see is that the Poco X3 Pro comprehensively beat the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max in all the apps, all the 16 apps. Poco X3 Pro was the winner. So that is more or less expected, because the 860 is definitely way more powerful than the 732G. So 732G is more or less like a mid-range chipset which does perform quite well, but the 860 is more powerful and better for gaming. So that is more evident here. Next would be the memory management. So let's see which is able to retain these apps. So camera, it's retain. Gmail, retain. You can see that YouTube has been reloaded on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Settings, again that is also reloaded. File Manager, again reloaded. Flipkart is reloaded. Amazon, again reloaded. Ghana is once again reloaded. Instagram is reloaded on both the devices. Next is Twitter. Twitter is once again reloaded on both the devices. So you can see here Redmi is a bit slower. The recent updates have made it a bit slower, I guess. Now again Facebook is reloaded. Chrome browser is available on both the devices. Play Store is available. Temple Run has been reloaded on both the devices. Here again you can see that Poco loaded it faster than the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Next and final game is Asphalt 9. Here you can see that both have reloaded it. So in terms of memory management, you could see that neither of them are really good. In fact, the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has slowed down a bit after the recent updates, especially in terms of memory management. It isn't that great, while Poco is not that good in terms of memory management, but it was able to retain more apps than the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So that was a speed test comparison of these two devices. You can clearly see that the winner is the Poco X3 Pro with the more powerful chipset than the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.